my dear friends. You are welcome to Joe Newton online class. In this class, we are going to solve this mathematics on the board. That is angles and a polygon, a topic in mathematics. But before we proceed, recall that a polygon is any plane figure or plane shape that is with straight sides. That is any closed plane figure with straight sides is a polygon. Of course, we know there are polygons by their names. We have triangle, has straight sides. We have the quadrilaterals with 4 sides. We have the pentagon with 5 sides, hexagon with 6 sides, and so on. Now, let us tackle the question on the board. Now, the question says, find the values of x and y in the figures below. Now, looking at this figure now, we can see that the figures are quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides and 4 angles. 4 interior angles. So, solving number 1 quickly. Now, number 1 question from the board, from the diagram there, we see that we are given 75, 25, 15 degree and the x. So, x is the unknown angle there among the interior angles. So, we should recall that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So that will help us to solve this particular one. Now we know that sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. For that reason, we now have that. Therefore, we have that x plus 25 degrees plus 15 degrees plus 75 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Then, when you add up, you now have that 25 plus 15 will give you 40. 40 plus 75 will give you 115. Okay, you have that x plus 115 degree is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, from this now we make s of this formula. Therefore, x is equal to 360 degree. This one becomes minus 115 degrees. So when you have 360 minus 115, you should know that if you have 360 minus 115, 0 minus this cannot be put 1 here. 10 minus 5, have 5. Here remains 5. 5 minus 1, you have what? 4. Here remains 3 minus 1, you have what? 2. So you have 245 degrees. 245 degrees. So that is our answer to this particular question. So for question number 1, our answer is 245 degrees. So quickly, let us look at number 2 or B. For number 2 or the B question, we are given x. Okay, sorry, here is y. Here is y. We are given y 30, 80, and 130. So there are two ways of solving this. We can close this up and form a triangle and now make triangle analysis. When we close it up, we have 2 triangles, the small triangle and the larger triangle. We can make that triangle theory using the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree and equate both triangles. But let us use quadrilateral also and solve it to make it simple. So quickly, we have that this angle y plus 80 plus 30 degree is equal to this exterior here, angle 130 degree. Because if you prove it with the close, if you produce another line here, if you prove it with theory of triangles, you still get the same thing. And because if you close up this place now, you will have, if we close here, you have another quadrilateral. And recall that this plus this plus this plus, let's say if here is z, we give you also 360 because it's still a quadrilateral. So whatever here is plus here, we give you 360 as angle at a point if we want to go by that long theory. But we are using our quadrilateral to form it. So very simple. You can now say that from that one, from number 2, y plus 80 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 130 degree. Very simple. So the angle, the sum of these three angles here will give you this one outside. Because you close here up, whatever you have here, plus here is 360 degree. I've got a point. And whatever you have here also, plus this, plus this, plus this, will also give you what? 360 degree. So for that reason, we have that y 80 plus 30 is 110. Y plus 110 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Therefore, our y is equal to 130 degrees minus 110 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. So our y is 120 degrees. Good. So it's very simple. Sorry, our y is 20 degrees. Sorry, 130 minus 110, 20 degrees. So our y is what? 20 degrees. Very simple. So you can see that you can tackle similar problems involving quadrilaterals in this form at ease without long theories or long analysis. Thank you so much for paying attention to this particular class. I remain your tutor and friend, Joe Newton. For more of these solutions in physics and mathematics,